Hi guys, today I'm going to tell how to solve this. As you all know, it's just a Rubik's Cube of 3 by 3. Okay, first select any color what you want. I'm selecting blue. Okay, first arrange as you like every color which gets you more, like this. So now I'll tell how to get this. So as here is the empty space and our coin is here, so we are willing to keep this here. So we have two methods to do this, as if we can just get that coin there and turn in the opposite direction and get it back, place here. It's one procedure, and I'll let you know the another procedure by placing the another coin. So this is the space we have to fill and this is the coin here. So we'll keep the coin wherever you want in the same below direction. So I have told initially one method and now I'll tell another method. So here you want to place this coin. So first turn this side and bring the center down, turn it back and place it in the position. So now the coin is here and this is the empty space, and this we need to place here. So up, opposite direction, down and place. So we have completed the first color completely, and now we have to complete the first line around this. So let me tell you how to do that. First, if possible, match the centers, first line with the center. So it's already done here. So we need to search the corner coins. So for the white we have this. So first of all, separate this coin like this, and now our coin is out and the white is here. This need to be placed over here. So as it is the same procedure which we follow initially, and now we will place the misplaced coin in the same way. Yeah, just we'll see a coin is placed. So we'll search for this coin. Where is it? Here. So separate this, take it to the up position and up, opposite direction, down and bring it back. And now we need to place this coin. This is here. So turn it, place up, turn, bring it down like this. So our first layer is done. Okay, now let me tell you how to complete the second one. So we need to match a coin here which matches this. So I have matched this, and the below color is to be placed either this direction or in this direction. So now our color is in here. So now we need to place this coin here. The location of this coin like this will be placed like this. So first, as we need to place this coin here, turn this opposite direction. So bring it down, bring this back, place it up. So it's here. Let me place it again. Done, and our coin is placed. Repeat the same process to place all the coins. Yeah, it's done, and this is matched. And where is our next coin? So here, white and orange here. So white and orange. So now this, and as it is, yeah, it's done. The coin is placed, and now this one, the last, the coin is here and we need to place it here. So turn this like this, here, this, up. So replace the coin here. Yeah, now our second line is completed. So what next? So the color we have done, we need to select the opposite face. So here it's blue, and now we are selecting this face we need to complete. So in this phase we need to perform plus. Plus is the mandatory one. The other colors, if filled, there is no problem. So I'll now tell you how to do the plus here. So We have only this face we need to see, and so here is the green color, so we select the green colors here. So here we have two, here we have one and two. So select majority ones as you wish. We can do with any face. So now I'm turning these to be placed here, right? So now for that, see carefully, turn this face, make this up, turn this and bring it down, turn this back and make the face correct. So now everything is same, so that we have not got the plus. Repeat the same process until you get the plus. Just down, up, turn, turn, get this down with this back, and now. Yes, we have got the plus. It may be 2 times or 3 times. You can repeat this process until you get it. You will achieve the plus. So now next. Okay, yeah. Now we have to make like this, the long T. So we need to match the center coins of everyone. Oh yeah, it seems that 2 coins have been matched. So let us try for these two. Now let me tell the process how to do the long T. Yes, see here, first we need to get this down and turn in the same direction 2 times and place it up. Turn this one more time, place this down, turn this one more time and make it up. So turn in the same direction until this is placed. Yeah, this. Yes, it's done. But I'll show you once more. Just make this down, turn this 2 times, make this up, turn this once, get this down, turn it once, yes, get it up. So this one is done. So I have lost this, so no problem, I'll perform this one more time. Yes. Yes, we have completed long T in all directions. Oof, it's done. And now we need to complete over the cross coins, that's corners, right? So yes, here is the sample that every corner should be done like this. So initially they need not be in the same position. So we need to select any one corner. So now as it is perfect, I am selecting this, or else you can select any one of them and make it a corner. And now perform this operation. See carefully, and now turn this, making as a guideline. So we are moving this. First turn this up. See, once again, turn this out, turn it up, get it back. And now from here, turn it up, turn this that, get it down, get it back. Yes. See our guide coin. Let's see. So we need to check that whether the corner is correct for this one. No, it's not. It's not. It's not. So again, making this as a guideline, turn it out, turn it to your left, up, back, get it up, turn, get this down, turn and get this down. Yes. Oof. 2 coins are matched, and this is the perfect match. See, perfect match. If we turn this like this, so green will come here, yellow and red, and here is also the same. And the last step to turn this coin, yes, see this here. So get it down. Formula is right down, left, right up, left, right down, left, right up, left. Yes. And now don't change this all, just turn this here, what we need to complete. So turn this down, right, up, right down, turn, up. Yeah, yes, successfully we have completed. Thanks for watching. Logic to be added. If the coin need to placed here is completely in the opposite face, what to do? So as if the coin is to be placed here and this is here. So now center down, turn it 2 times, and now